Hi, Patriots. Please make sure you take the opportunity to set up your notebook using the guided notes that go with Lesson 7.3.11. Okay, I will represent and solve one-step equations with algebra tiles. So remember, yesterday what we did is we set up the expression, just what we actually had to do when we read the following problem. So here the Palladium Theater is charging $5 for every single movie ticket. So $5 for every movie ticket. That would be 5 times X, right? Based on the number of tickets that we buy. So let's say you buy a total of $10 worth. So you paid $10 at the movies. We need to figure out, well, then if every ticket is $5 each, how many tickets did we buy? So I can actually represent that, right, by setting up my algebra tiles and using those tiles to figure out how I'm going to take those $10 and figure out what 1x is actually worth. I know 5x, 5 times a number, is equal to 10. So if I take my 10 tiles, I can then figure out what 1x is worth, right? How many tickets did I actually buy? So therefore, if we disperse this evenly, I take my 10 and I divide it by 5x, that's going to give me what 1x is worth. And I can see that each x is worth 2 tickets. So 5 times x equals 10. I can divide by 5 on both sides, and that's going to let me know that I bought 2 tickets when I divide that. Okay, go ahead and look at the next problem. So the Palladium charges $3 for movie ticket. So there's my $3 for every movie ticket, and we paid $9. So how many tickets were we actually able to buy? So once again, I can set up 3x equals positive 9, $9 that were spent, and I need to figure out how much 1x is worth, because x is representing the number of tickets that I purchased. Once again, 3 times a number equals 9, so the inverse of that is to divide, right, my 9 by my coefficient of 3. And I can then see that x is equal to 3. So 3 times a number equals 9. Well, the inverse of multiplication is to divide by 3 on both sides, and x is equal to 3 tickets. So if I spent $9, I bought 3 tickets at $3 per movie ticket. Now it's an opportunity for you guys to do. So once again, set up your equation, show with your algebra tiles how to solve it. You have one problem where you're being charged $4 per ticket. You have another problem where they're charging you $6 per movie ticket, and another one where they're charging you $2 per movie ticket. So please work on the you do, and we'll come back together during class and review. So remember, you're representing and solving one-step equations with algebra tiles. Have a wonderful day, Patriots.